Best China Bluetooth Headphone. We review the top-class headphones available on Aliexpress. We love the wood headphone the best due to its design. In terms of features, we would recommend to go for IDEO brand. XIAOMI Mi Headphones. XIAOMI has been providing excellent products for the customers since inception. Mi headphones are the products where quality meets elegance. This Mi headphone comes with a mic and a control button. The wire length is 1.4 meters for easy connection to fire devices as well. The product is a charm with its astonishing glossy looks and functions well with mobile phones, tablets and personal computers as well. Gold Bluetooth 4.0 Wireless Stereo Headphone. This trendy headphone is available in 4 different exciting color variants. This headphone uses Bluetooth to connect to the device, which eliminates the woes of using wires. An advanced Bluetooth chip ensures flawless music without hampering the quality. This Chinese headphone is compatible with almost every Bluetooth-enabled smartphone, tablet and audio device. ONEDIO Wireless Bluetooth Headset. The Bluetooth connectivity helps you to fight out the woes of entangling wires and gives you a world-class music experience on the go. The advanced noise cancellation technology eliminates almost every possible stray sound. The rechargeable battery stores charge for about 20 hours even when the headset is under heavy use. The volume button and the power toggle button come handy for basic music operations. You can check link in description box for buy. OKCSC HIFI Vintage Wood Headphone. This attractive and high-quality headphone is one of the most exquisite variant we found on Aliexpress. HIFI means this headset is reproducing music with high fidelity. The material of the earphone is made of olive wood. Jack is a 3.5mm audio plug with open voice HIFI wired headphone. IDEO T3 Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. The trendy new device from the house of IDEO is an apartment device for video games, mobile phones, personal computers and even tablets. The 3D stereo sound effect provides the users one of the best musical experiences. The alloyed body is strongly built. The design of the headphone is inspired from the turbine of an aircraft. The strong battery provides 1,100 hours standby time and 20 hours of music time. Should you buy Bluetooth headphones from Aliexpress? We have curated the best headphones and headsets available on Aliexpress. Hope you all like our selection.